Assalamu alaikum students. Today in today's class we are going to read Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. It is unit number 2. The story is about animal hunting. We all know that in our country as well there are a number of peoples who are in support of blood sport like animal hunting, and they do animal hunting just because for their entertainment, ignoring the fact that they are taking an innocent life for their fun. So the story is about that. The story is told by the horse itself. It is a baby horse who is watching all the hunting scene in front of him with his family. So that horse is telling the story, and the lesson also shows that how that incident affects the mind of the young animal or young horse, and how it affected the young animals who watched the hunt taking place in front of their eyes. So starting with the chapter, the horse's mother, an old riding horse, knew all about the hunt, the way men ride good horses and use dogs to catch wild creatures such as the hare and fox. Perhaps they too had once taken part in such hunts. So it says that the mother of the horse knew that this is going to happen, because once they might have also been part of the hunt, as the horses are used in such kind of hunt adventures. As in the pictures on your book, you can see that the man is on the horse along with the dogs which are stalking the prey like hare and fox. The dogs stopped barking and began to run with their noses to the ground because they had lost sight of the hare and were trying to find its scent again. So the hounds, or we can say that the dogs which are used for hunt, barking dogs have the ability to smell a specific scent, and then they can chase their target using that scent. So here it says that the dogs lost the sight, but they follow the scent of the hare and chase the prey. So the lines above here in front of us, these lines tell us that that some of the horses also wanted to join in the herd. As the lines said, the old horses snorted and looked eagerly after them, and we young colts wanted to be galloping with them. This line is said by the young colt, the horse which is telling the story. So the hare was wild with fright because the dogs were chasing it. The hare tried to get through the fence. It was too thick, and she turned sharply round to make for the road, but it was too late. The dogs were upon it with their wild cries, and thus it met its end. The dogs found the hare, and resultantly it met its end. The huntsman whipped off the dogs, because otherwise they would have torn the hare to pieces. The young horse, the storyteller, was astonished by the sight of these men on fine horses with barking dogs chasing a killing hare. So this was the story. I will advise you to read the story in detail from your book, and if you have any question you can ask me when you will be on school for notebook checking. And please do the work accordingly, as I will be sending you the attachment with the lecture, and read the lesson. And if you have anything to ask or anything to add, do tell me in the class. Thank you so much. Have a good day.